This looks really good. That's it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're watching for the first time, first of all, welcome. Kindly sit down, grab a drink, and enjoy the video. If you're watching me as usual, thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Now guys, in this video, I know we have heard of this hair growth regimen, so some DIY something that can help your hair grow. I've been seeing it everywhere on my YouTube, cloves and rosemary. So today I decided, yes, let's give it a try, because I've actually been looking for something natural that could help my hair grow. I've attained some growth over the years, but I feel like I'm stagnating a little bit. So I really wanted to do something that doesn't have a brand name on it, you know, to try and see if it's gonna help. So I saw that if you use the rosemary and cloves water for about 2 weeks, you're going to see some growth. So we're going to try it. I'm going to try it today. So I have my rosemary, but I'm left with my cloves. So I'm going to get my cloves right now. Like right now, I'm going to buy cloves. See how social media can influence you. I'm going to buy cloves right now, but then first of all I need to search how to say cloves in tree, because I can't go and stand there and be mentioning cloves, then they'll come and be saying what exactly am I talking about. So let's search this, cloves in tree. Oh, it's called dadwa. Okay, so I'm going to buy some dadwa and come and use it with my rosemary. So what I plan to do is, I wanted to do the water and then do the oil as well. I have some coconut oil, so I'm going to try the coconut oil with the cloves and the rosemary and then create a kind of oil for my scalp. Let's see how that works out. So I'm going to get the cloves right now, and then we're going to get started with putting everything together. So stay tuned, guys. I am finally back from my dadwa hunt. This is what they look like. So if you're going to buy it, you could actually say pepper instead of dadwa, because when I was saying that, a lot of them were just looking at me like, sis, what the hell is that? So this is what they look like. They're very tiny, so I bought like 10 of them. Hopefully that's enough. I'm not sure about the measurements, but in the video that I watched, I think she used about 2 spoonfuls. And I did want to use some of my cloves for my oil, like I mentioned earlier. So let's just do this. I think we can add more of the rosemary. Yes, why not? Okay. Okay. So I think this should be fine. I'm just going to add water. So from the video that I watched, she left this overnight for about 2 days. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm sure this is okay, but yeah, it should be. I think my rosemary is too much. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to leave this for 2 days overnight, and I think on the second day the water turned a bit brown, so that is what I'm expecting to happen. That's it. So this is the final result. For the video that I watched, she left this for about 2 days, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's when it's more concentrated. So for those who don't know, the rosemary and the cloves allows for more blood circulation in your scalp, which stimulates hair growth. Okay, so that's why this is recommended. Okay, she used this for about 2 weeks. We're gonna try it out. Okay, and it actually smells really good. I don't think I'm going to be washing it out. I'm just going to be using it as is. Okay, so yeah. So for my oil, I'm just going to use a bit. It should be fine. And then I add the rest of my cloves, and then the rest of my rosemary. So I'm just going to blend this up, and then you will see that. So this is what I have after blending. I had to blend it a few times before I got this consistency. So I'm just going to strain this. Guys, this looks so good for your hair right now. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I think my hair is smiling right now for some reason. I don't know, I just felt a tingle on my scalp. So this is the final result, people. This looks really good. I'm going to be applying this on my scalp, and then we will review the results together. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to bring you a part 2 of when I actually use the water and the oil, and I need to wait 2 more days anyway, so I can't do that right now. And for the oil, I can actually apply it now, but I'll just add it to the second video, so watch out for the part 2. I wanted this to be more of like a tutorial, so if you are thinking about doing this for yourself, you could. And for the oil, I use coconut oil because that's what I have available, so you could use any other natural based oil that you think would work. I think you're good to go. Kindly like, comment, subscribe, and do all the good stuff. I can't believe you're making me beg you to subscribe right now, but yeah, please do. Application and review of the water and oil to come in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.